Nursing rounds. There can be patient hourly rounding objectives. The nursing staff will verbalize an increased understanding about patients' hourly rounding goals. List the 8 specific rounding behaviors. First one, the facts. The nursing staff devote a lot of time responding to the unscheduled patients' requests, so they have less time for more critical duties. Patient falls and patient pressure ulcers are concerns to staff, patients, and families. How nursing staff respond to call lights plays a major role in how patients perceive the quality of healthcare. Goals: reduce call lights, improve patients' perceptions of care, increase nursing satisfaction and efficiency, reduce patient falls, reduce skin breakdown. The study group in 2006, hourly rounding, Fire Starter Publishing. Study group, largest study to show that certain nursing staff behaviors reduce call light and allow nursing staff to respond more efficiently to patient requests. 27 units in 14 hospitals. Call light usage decreased by 38. Patient satisfaction went up from 79.9 to 88.8. Main effects of nursing rounds on patients. Call light use, satisfaction and safety. American Journal of Nursing. Study group, success in other areas. Hospitals saw 50 decrease in patient falls. Patient and employee satisfaction increase. Nurse reported more time to attend to other tasks because they were answering call lights less often. The study group, hourly rounding, Fire Starter Publishing. Study allows nurses to gather information. It is proactive, not reactive. Handle patient problems before they occur. Due to this, hourly nursing rounds. Specific behaviors: use opening words and actions to introduce yourself, your skill set, your experience. Perform scheduled tasks, assess and address the adult 4 P's, that is pain, personal needs, position and placement. Pediatrics, parents plan pain, eating, bottles, meals, etc. Diapers, supplies, towels, etc. Interaction, ID bands. The study group, hourly rounding, Fire Starter Publishing. Specific behaviors: assess comfort needs, conduct an environmental assessment of the room, use closing key words or actions, explain when you or others will return, document the rounding, explain purpose of hourly rounding. Upon admission, transfer, change in caregiver. We round every hour on our patients to ensure that you receive very good care. We will not wake you if you are sleeping unless we need to. If any time during your stay you feel you are not receiving good care, please let us know immediately so that we can address your concerns. So this is an example how they are writing. What are the key words used? These are some examples. Successful adult rounding. These are some examples. How the procedure is. You can read up all this. Every time, every hour. Document at the end of the shift. Every 20, every patient. Every time, every hour.